All right, guys, we have the Motorola Razr 2024. So your girl gonna be acting brand new, okay? Make me mad, I'm hanging up the phone on you. I'm slamming it down. We can go back to hanging up on people. Here she is. I'm waiting for my case to come. You do not put a screen protector on these phones, they said. It already has a screen protector. You do not peel the one off that's on the phone, and you do not put one on the phone. But I am going to put a screen protector on the front. I have heard that when you close it, the front part is the part you put a screen protector on. You do get a charger and the manual. This is the one I got in the gray color. Y'all, I feel brand new already, okay? I cannot wait till Apple comes out with a flip phone. This one I'm going to start using for my YouTube videos, so you guys will be able to see the recording, whether there's a difference. I hope it's better. Now, it does not take a SIM card, so we'll see. Let me know what y'all think.